Florida, the Sunshine State. The abundance of warm, subtropical sunshine throughout the year makes Florida the perfect environment for solar photovoltaic systems, also known as PV. Because of technological and manufacturing advancements, the cost of solar PV hardware has dropped more than 50% in the past 4 years. With savings like that, you would expect to see solar panels on every rooftop in the state. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Despite our incredible solar resource, a national ranking of solar-friendly states places Florida in the middle of the list. So why is the use of solar rapidly growing in some states while Florida continues to fall behind in the renewable energy race? In large part, it is due to the non-hardware or soft costs involved in solar installations. In fact, these soft costs often account for over half the cost of a PV solar system.
The soft costs are the sales cost to get the customer, the permitting costs to go through all the process of permitting it and engineering it, and then some of the other soft costs can be taxes that are associated with commercial projects, where taxes that get assessed on the solar system that in some cases can be onerous to the point where they're almost the same cost as the retail electricity. So some of these soft costs, taxation of the solar asset, permitting, customer acquisition costs, those are the things that we're trying to target to reduce the cost so that a homeowner could have a reasonable expectation of having the system paid for in the 3 to 6 year range.
In Southwest Florida, the lack of uniform permitting requirements among cities increases costs for solar installations. As a result, installers spend an excessive amount of time, money, and resources on permitting and inspections in each area. These costs are passed on to the customer and result in higher total costs for PV. The goal of the U.S. Department of Energy SunShot Initiative Rooftop Solar Challenge Solar Ready 2 project is to bring together city, county, and state officials, along with regulatory entities, private industry, and local utilities, to implement streamlined processes and clear a path for rapid, affordable adoption of solar energy in our region.
In Florida, every solar system has to be certified and tested, and system approvals or templated designs are part of the Florida Solar Energy Center or FSEC approval system. And that process is there to help building officials not have to go through tedious plan review and electrical design for solar thermal and solar electric systems. It's a sunshine state. We should be doing more.
It is imperative to pave the way for access to use solar electricity in our communities if we want to take advantage of this abundant, clean, and renewable energy source. Local governments need to take steps to clear the regulatory pathway for solar energy development and ensure that Southwest Florida will be on the cutting edge of this growing industry. Solar is the most abundant source of energy on Earth, and the Southwest Florida Regional Planning Council is helping to bring solar energy to our region and the state. Is your local community helping our region to become solar friendly?